Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Today, as you can see, we have a beautiful, gorgeous day and it's the perfect day for a salad.
Yeah, we're going to make, well, it's a vegetable salad, right? But
Yeah, because a meat salad. It's not a salad, it's called a stew.
I mean, it's not with lettuce.
What do you mean a salad with vegetables? All the time. Anyway.
Whatever. So we are going to make a salad with beetroot, which is a boiled vegetable.
Yeah.
You're very silly.
Okay, so we're going to do a vegetable salad with beetroot. Well, shall we?
Yes, well, let's go. I'm so funny. Venga, vamos.
Hello everyone and welcome home. Well, I guess we'll have a silly day today. Okay. Let's get serious here. Let me turn the camera around. So, decoration today. Aha! My beautiful ostrich egg. Ha! Why? Because I just wanted to put it there. And let me show you what we have. Whoops, sorry. What we have for lunch today, well, for dinner today. We're gonna have some already boiled beetroot. We have chopped it in tiny little pieces, okay, in chunks. We have celery, some red pepper, and some purple onion. So as you can see, it's gonna be quite a colorful salad. Then for the dressing, you need olive oil, salt, lemon juice, and a little bit of lemon zest. And as a topping, we have some almonds. You can put hazelnuts, but I'm a little bit, not 100% allergic to them. But
Okay, let me get
your apron.
an apron because, you know, if I get stained by the beetroot, that's going to be
Stay for forever.
It will stay forever. Okay.
Can you see the sun coming in? It's like, hola,
Yes,
sun.
it's super sunny. Okay, so it's going to go very quickly. No, I don't need this. It's even hot. The oil is hot. Okay, so generally in Spain, when we say salad is with lettuce, but what we are going to do today is use a boiled vegetable as a base, and this is going to be beetroot. You can roast it in the oven, but we buy them already cooked. I mean, you'll find them in every supermarket in Spain. Super convenient, so you don't mess around, because if this stains your clothes, it's going to stay there forever. So we're going to put some onion, chopped onion, and it's a purple onion. You can use white onion, but purple gives a nice color.
It just looks beautiful.
And then we have like very small chopped celery, even the leaves.
This is just two stems of.
It's 2 cents, yeah. And then half a red pepper.
Yeah.
It was a big pepper. This is Dutch pepper, so it's quite chunky. All right, so you see all our pots here. I'm going to use almonds in like nice chunks.
All right, hold it. Let me zoom in.
It's not laminated. I cut them yesterday.
And what we want is just to roast them, right? So the pan is already a little bit warm. So meanwhile, I know it's doing the dressing, the almonds are going to roast a little bit.
Okay, so this is kind of a wintry salad, but beetroot you're going to get.
Colorful.
Yeah, it's a colorful thing.
Okay.
Right, so I'm going to use some lemon zest.
Not much, okay, because really you don't need a lot of lemon zest.
No.
You know, with all the sun, it's kind of difficult for me to get myself out of the sun. No, you're okay. Okay, so a little bit of salt.
Salt.
We have Maldon salt.
Okay.
So, but a little bit of lemon juice.
Right.
And a little bit of olive oil.
A little bit of olive oil.
A little bit. A good quantity of olive oil. We're Spanish.
Well, not. And then we need to roast this a little bit. Give me a second. You don't need to super roast it, just to get the humidity out of the almonds. And what we often do is we prepare this and we leave it in the fridge. But
not tonight.
not today.
I mean, it's going to go right away.
It's going to go right away. All the vegetables are already very cold.
Okay. So...
I just toasted a little bit, right?
Okay. And little bit of almonds. Again, you can put hazelnut, you can put other things, okay?
But it looks so good that I would serve it like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it like this beautiful, beautiful Mediterranean salad that I think it's so beautiful? Okay.
I think I'm gonna leave it like this.
You're gonna leave it like this?
I will leave it, and I will serve it like this in the in the table.
So you can see this one was a very, very easy and fast, fresh, and delicious. These type of salads are all over the Mediterranean. And talking about the Mediterranean, remember that we do have a tour on the Mediterranean in Spain. We're going to start in Valencia, then Menorca, and then Mallorca. It's going to be this May 2026, and probably we'll do it in 2027 as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful tour where what we discover is this magnificent food of the Mediterranean. We discover paellas, roasted vegetables, and salads, and fresh products.
And fideuás.
Oh, fideuás. So good. We need to do a fideuás.
Yeah, we will.
So really, food is one of the must things in the Mediterranean, and it's one of the must things in our tour, as well as this beautiful Spanish sun that we have today here. Hopefully, that's what we're going to discover in the Best of the Mediterranean tour.
Okay, so join us in our newsletter. You'll find the link underneath.
And just so you can be updated with everything. And
send us pictures. I love your pictures.
Yeah, I would love when you guys share pictures of what you have cooked. Thank you very much for being with us one more week. We love you all.
Take care. See you next Sunday.
Adios, amigos. Bye-bye.